Yeah, you can see the snow. Wow. Did you see?
Like we're all gonna die.
So the Thorns of Christ are housed here at St. Paul's Cathedral. You're so cute. There's a telltale sign in London and France that you're American. It's a venti coffee from Starbucks. Let's do this.
Each shell needs an explosive charge called cordite that also comes with.
Imagine being behind this gun. It's gonna fire.
Well within range of about 11-inch guns. And then.
To the belly of the beast. Trafalgar Square. Oh, yeah. That thing behind me.
Babe, come here. Come here. Come here. I want to see your eyebrows.
Huh?
What did you do today?
Huh?
What did you do with your eyebrows? He shaved his eyebrows.
No, I didn't.
Now
She shaved my eyebrows.
now they're uneven, and he's gonna wear a beanie for the rest of the trip.
Picture of you taking a picture? Or take a video of you taking a picture? here. But, you know, time to see the changing of the guards. Hopefully the weather doesn't mess it all up.
I'm pretty sure that this was like where all the women were doing the dishes. Look at her face.
Look at all those chickens.
Yeah.
Now is when the square lights up. It's freezing out here. One, 2, 3, 4.
Wonder if any clock face remains visible up there, Big Ben.
Oh my gosh, this weather fucking turned on us. Baby, don't slip. Yo, seriously? Look at my hand, I can't keep it straight. Fuck this weather, I will say it right now. Going to the London Bridge experience.
And the tombs.
And the tombs. It's gonna be super scary. Hopefully we can get freaking out.
No.
I stay in England. Gotta get some poppies. Gotta get that fish and chips in. Oh my god. Beauty and immortality. Let's run! Let's go!
Wait, it has to go to the corner. You just
The
don't
snow is so
notice it.
fluffy here now. I'm not like eating it or anything. So apparently the last building was the Houses of Parliament, and this is Westminster Abbey. We had to run, but we made it. So we were supposed to leave town at like 3:20, but that didn't happen, unfortunately. Virgin America owes us one. Virgin Atlantic definitely. I guess we're gonna enjoy the rest of the night. You double fisting right now?